is Anna. I'm 23 years old and I come from Poland.
My name is Ellen and I'm from Georgia, but I grew up in The Hague.
My name is Zuzanna. I'm also Polish.
And I'm Tekla, and I'm from Denmark. And we are all second-year law students at University of Groningen, studying international and European law. And then we'll break it down for you into 3 parts. So first we have rule of law. What is that? One version is that it's the idea that all government action should be governed by some other law. That typically relates to a constitution, that a government should be bound by structures, processes, and principles of its constitution.
Yes, and the next section is what our rule of law is, and this puts the emphasis that the rule of law is ultimately for the benefit of the citizens, of the governed. So what we are witnessing now in Poland is the undermining of the rule of law, and this impacts us, so the citizens, so that's why it's titled Our Rule of Law.
And finally, what is our Rule of Law Festival? It's a 2-day-long event sponsored by the Law Faculty in Groningen, where we're going to have a chance to meet 9 amazing speakers who come here all the way from Poland, including judges, activists, journalists, filmmakers. And during those days, you will be able to talk with them, listen to their stories, form a smaller group as well when you get a chance to even have a dinner with them and ask inside questions of what is going on in Poland. And as well, we're going to celebrate a bit with Polish vodka to add a bit of spice.
Very funny story. So we've met on the lecture that was organized by one of the professors at our university. It was a lecture about the rule of law crisis in Poland. And after the lecture, we kind of met in the park on another initiative that Tekla has organized, which was the Walk with a Stranger. And we kind of all bumped into each other in the park and started talking about the lecture. And we kind of figured out, it would be amazing to do something about it and work towards something important and relevant for us. Like me and Anna are both Polish and we are all European. So it's very important to work towards the initiative. And then we contacted Professor Moraine. And now we're here organizing a 2-day-long festival at uni. Most common misconception that we come across, especially when we're being approached about the festival, is that we are politicized in a way, that we are affiliated with any of the political parties. And at our festival, we care about the rule of law. We believe that it's fundamental for the functioning of literally every democratic state, regardless of the ruling party, actually. And we want to raise awareness about the rule of law violations in Poland, but without making a political manifesto. As I said, it is a fundament of every democratic society. And we believe in the ideas of the rule of law, equality before the law, transparency and legal certainty, but without affiliating it to any political party or views, as it should be simply respected in every democratic state, regardless of the ruling party.
So far, every challenge that we've come across, we've been able to overcome quite well. The main one that we really struggle with is the COVID-19 regulations. Obviously, this is a topic that we want everyone to know about and to be able to learn about as well at our events. But due to these regulations, we've been limited with regards to how many people can come in person and directly listen to these amazing speakers that we have coming from Poland. But luckily, we've been able to go around this by having online events as well and streaming everything, because the end goal of this event is to have more people learn about what the rule of law is and why it's so important.
So yeah, this is us, our Rule of Law team. You can find us in almost all of social media. In Instagram, we're our Rule of Law. Twitter, our Rule of Law _EU. Same on Facebook. We have a Facebook event. And yeah, please come follow us, build this awesome community with us, and we see you at our event.